Hey there, market maniacs! Welcome to another thrilling episode where we unravel the mysteries of the stock market. Today, we're diving headfirst into the roller coaster ride of tech stocks. Buckle up because we're diving into the wild world of tech stocks. From the dizzying heights of record-breaking valuations to the gut-wrenching lows of market crashes, tech stocks have seen it all, and the market mayhem of 2025. It was a year that tested the mettle of even the most seasoned investors. The trading floors were a frenzy of activity and the air was thick with tension. Remember the end of 2022? The air was electric with optimism. People were celebrating not just the new year but also the unprecedented success of tech stocks. Tech was king, valuations were through the roof, and it seemed like the sky was the limit. Companies were expanding, innovation was at an all-time high, and investors were riding the wave of success. And everyone thought the good times would never end. Offices were buzzing with excitement, and there was a sense of invincibility in the air. Toasts were made and dreams were big. Then came 2025 and the market took a nosedive. It was a stark reminder that what goes up must come down. The crash was swift and brutal, leaving many in shock. Inflation soared, interest rates climbed, and the economic landscape shifted dramatically. The factors that had once fueled growth were now contributing to the downturn, and investors hit the panic button. But hold on, in the midst of the chaos, there were glimmers of hope. Some saw opportunities where others saw only despair. Just when you thought the tech titans were down for the count, they began to rally. It was a testament to their resilience and adaptability. The comeback was nothing short of spectacular. They pulled off a comeback worthy of a heavyweight champ. What fueled this resurgence? Was it innovation, strategic pivots, or sheer determination? The answer lies in a combination of factors. Let's break it down, starting with the Magnificent Seven. These tech giants not only weathered the storm but also emerged stronger, setting the stage for a new era of growth and innovation. You know them, you maybe loved them, and then you might have doubted them. Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, Meta, Nvidia, and Tesla. These 7 tech giants were the darlings of the market, driving the S&P 500 to record highs. But in early 2025, even these titans weren't immune to the market downturn. Why the sudden fall from grace? Investors worried about slowing growth, rising competition, and the impact of a potential recession. But guess what? These fears proved to be overblown. The Magnificent Seven are back, baby, and they're proving why they earned that moniker in the first place. Let's talk about Microsoft, the software giant that has been a cornerstone of the tech industry for decades. Founded by Bill Gates and Paul Allen, Microsoft has evolved from its early days of developing operating systems and office software to becoming a multifaceted tech behemoth. Today it's not just about Windows or Office anymore. Microsoft has morphed into a cloud computing colossus, with Azure leading the charge. Azure has become a critical component for businesses worldwide, offering scalable solutions and robust security features. Their recent earnings report? Off the charts. The numbers speak for themselves, showcasing a company that is not just surviving but thriving in a competitive market. Revenue from cloud services has skyrocketed, contributing significantly to their bottom line. Microsoft Cloud, led by the unstoppable force that is Azure, is printing money faster than a central bank. The demand for cloud services has surged, and Microsoft is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this trend. Businesses are flocking to the cloud, and Microsoft is raking in the benefits. From small startups to large enterprises, companies are migrating their operations to the cloud, seeking efficiency and innovation. But wait, there's more. Microsoft isn't just riding the cloud wave, they're also diving headfirst into the world of artificial intelligence. Their AI initiatives are not just experimental, they are practical applications that are already making a difference in various industries. Their strategic investments and partnerships in AI are already paying off, positioning them as a leader in this game-changing technology. Collaborations with other tech giants and innovative startups are fueling advancements that could redefine the future. This is a company firing on all cylinders, folks. From cloud computing to artificial intelligence, Microsoft is not just keeping up with the times, they are setting the pace. Their relentless drive for innovation and excellence is what keeps them at the forefront of the tech industry. Section 4. Meta's Metaverse Moment, Reality Bites Back, and it's profitable. Now let's talk about Meta, the company formerly known as Facebook. This tech giant has been at the forefront of social media for years, but recently, it has set its sights on something even more ambitious: the metaverse. Mark Zuckerberg's metaverse dreams may have seemed far-fetched a while back, but guess what? The vision of a fully immersive digital world is becoming more tangible by the day. Reality is setting in, and it's looking pretty profitable. The metaverse is no longer just a concept, it's a burgeoning industry with real financial potential. Meta's recent earnings report silenced the doubters, showcasing impressive growth in their core advertising business and a surprising surge in their metaverse division. The numbers don't lie. Meta is making significant strides. Turns out people are spending more time and money in virtual worlds than ever before. From virtual real estate to digital fashion, the metaverse economy is booming. Meta's early investments in VR and AR are giving them a significant edge in this emerging market. These technologies are not just for gaming anymore. They're transforming how we interact, work, and even shop. This is a company that's not afraid to take risks, and those risks are starting to pay off big time. By betting on the future of digital interaction, Meta is positioning itself as a leader in the next big tech revolution. The journey is just beginning, and the potential is limitless. As Meta continues to innovate and expand its metaverse offerings, the line between our physical and digital lives will blur even further. Stay tuned, because the future is happening now. Section 5. Tech Titans respond. Nvidia, AMD, and Amazon feel the heat. The resurgence of Microsoft and Meta has sent shockwaves through the tech world, especially for companies like Nvidia, AMD, and Amazon. Why? Because competition is heating up. Nvidia, the graphics chip powerhouse, is facing increased pressure from AMD, which is rapidly gaining ground in the gaming and data center markets. And then there's Amazon, the e-commerce behemoth that's increasingly facing competition from, well, everyone. From Microsoft in the cloud to Meta in the metaverse, Amazon needs to stay on its toes to maintain its dominance. Section 6. Don't miss the boat stocks primed for takeoff. So, what does this all mean for savvy investors like you? Opportunity is knocking. Keep a close eye on the Magnificent Seven, especially Microsoft and Meta. These companies are leading the charge in cloud computing, AI, and the metaverse, the technologies of the future. And don't forget about the companies that are stepping up their game to compete, like Nvidia, AMD, and even those nipping at the heels of Amazon. This is a stock picker's market, folks, and there are fortunes to be made for those who make the right moves. Section 7. Join the market movers. Subscribe, like, and share. There you have it, folks. The market is a wild ride, but with the right insights, you can come out on top. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and share this video with your fellow market enthusiasts. Stay informed, stay invested, and remember, bulls make money, bears make money, but pigs get slaughtered in the end. Now go out there and make some serious money.